Good place to do some mountain climbing. Heck, you could do freestyle mountain climbing on that. Like, I'm sure it wouldn't be hard for them. You just climb up that with your hands, and I'm sure it wouldn't be too hard. There's lots of places to grab onto. Like I could, even I could do that. Maybe I'll do that, but I'll need someone to hold the camera. But you're not allowed to climb the rocks. Like who would say anything? But technically, pretty sure you're not allowed to climb the rocks. But like, who's gonna say anything? No one gives a shit nowadays. No one cares about anything. They only pretend to care, that's it. But pretend to care because it gives them points or whatever. Like a game, eh? Like Ring Fighter. It gives you points. Well, there'd be a good view if you lived in that building when they're done. Man, maybe that'd be a good place to move to. Like I live right downtown. This is part of, I mean, this is part of the downtown too, but I think, well, downtown, I'll show you. See, that's downtown over there. That office building. But yeah, look at, if you live there in that building, it's on the top of a mountain, and it's, look how high it is. Like, how many floors is this building when they're finished? 20 or 30 floors, and it's on top of the mountain. That's smart though. See a water tower? You put it on the highest point, already at the top of a mountain. Like in Toronto, you don't got no big hills or anything to do that. The only hill is the hills are going down into the valleys, but then you're coming back up. So there's no actual hill, like it's just, yeah, the valleys and river systems. That's why there's hills there. But like above sea level, I guess, or nothing's above sea level there, I guess you could say. Yeah, just below sea level down into the valley, and then yeah. So yeah, but here, like the whole town's above sea. If there was a flood, the whole town's above sea level. Nothing but hills and mountains. Well, look at that. And when they finish at that building, wow. Well, yeah, because that's the elevator shaft. Holy shit! So that building's gonna be huge. Like maybe like 20 floors, 30 floors, who knows? Plus, it's on top. I don't know. Who knows how high they're gonna go either? Like they're building apartments now, like in Toronto, like over 30 floors. I remember that was always the tallest back then. Like 20 floors, 30 floors was a lot. Like 30 floors was a lot back then. Yeah, for an apartment building. But now if they convert offices into apartments, you might have 100. You know, that's 100 floors, and like my building, only there's some apartments, but it's like they got offices. They convert the office buildings now into apartments also. 'Cause they can't rent it all out, right? So just get some people to live there. Like over there, so it goes even higher up than the water towers. Those are the best views. I'll go there one of these days to the highest part I know. Nice flowers here. Now these are more like the trees you would have down south in Toronto. This one little, like, small stretch feels almost like Toronto. Just the way the trees are. I don't know why. Someone must have planted these a long time ago. These are all like kind of trees, like the tree line. Oh, yeah. Anyway. Oh yeah, this is, I think, Cedar Road or something. I guess we have those trees here too, but just the way the street feels like Toronto, the way the trees are, with the buildings and the street, everything's close together, and the type of houses. Just for one little stretch, though, like nowhere else really. Cedar Street. I almost feel like you could be in Toronto, like here. But you don't see no like mountain stuff like that there in Toronto. Okay, I'm gonna go to music.